So today we're gonna be showcasing how to get a lot of money in Emerald Company right now, and I'm here joined by my friend Photon X Reset. Yeah. Which I mean, I just started playing Emerald Company, so I don't have that much, but I'm pretty like this is just my way on how to do it. So let's get on with this video. So my way on how to doing it is to have these objects. He stole my grappler. Give that one back. So I'll make another video on how to get these two. The only thing you really need right now is just your grappler and that. So I suggest putting that in there first, and then also W to the dude that gave me that backpack a while ago. Make this is the only stuff I've unlocked. Alright. So my way on how to do it is just get go to sewers. That's how you get. Pretty good. Only reason I'm using this is because it powers up a powerful light. Way better than flashlight. This is a flashlight. This is the glow stick. Alright, let's go. So this is the level 1. You don't really need to go to that. So skip that. I started playing this game. I finally figured out how to play this game. So the mimic, it doesn't bother you unless if you look at it for like a long time. So just run by it. Well, this is where you're gonna need your rockets, which you don't really need it. You could just skip all that. Like, you just do the parkour, but I don't feel like doing it. So we're skipping it. The only thing you have to do is you have to like go right there, climb up the little big thing right there, and then you get jump right there. Boom. Same thing as this one, but this one I'll just show y'all how to get. Wait, get down there. So we'll pull out another rocket because I'm skipping it. So what you do, come up here, but you can just walk up that. Then you go down here, and then you just walk up like this. And get up here, which I'm not doing that because I could just run. I didn't get my flashlight, so I can show y'all. So to get out,
I dropped my grappler.
So here. So
the mimics after me.
Look right there. You run and start.
Oh, crazy woman! Crazy woman! Me no like crazy woman. She mean.
Getting stuck. Oh, this is so hard getting down there. So now we're at the sewers. So this is, which you really don't need that anymore, so you just throw it. So if I drop out my gravity gun, if I could get it. Did I not bring it? Oh, I think I forgot my gravity gun. No, it's right there. So only reason why I like using this because if it's on red mode, it brings objects to you, and if it's on blue mode, it brings you the objects, like it launches. So if you suck up the little bags with this, it doesn't count as weight. Usually it'll be very heavy, but if you use your gravity gun thing, it won't be heavy because this will slow down you a lot. Now you slow down. So no, I'll just cut back until we get a lot of these. Alright, so we managed to be able to get 4 of these. We couldn't find anything else. So now you really don't shoot it, please.
How I drop it?
Just shoot that way. Ooh. But alright, so main thing you So now what you need to do is fill your backpack up with these big chunks of gold. So it's this piece right here. Boom. Also, whenever you use this, it takes away health. I'll be back once my bag is full of this gold stuff. Hey, after a long time of grinding, I'm still not done. I'm halfway. You're so stupid. Okay. So we can only carry 2. Put that one on your back. Here. No. Give me that. I have to hold. Wait. So we're only able to carry 2 right now. But my bag is kind of halfway full. It took me a while to grind. So we are gonna be heading to the portal. Isn't it like over here?
It's over here by me, but I don't have my grapple.
Oh,
I don't have it because it's all the way at the bottom.
I met that. I'm so slow. Oh, I accidentally teleported. My bag's so heavy. Alright, so. Did you die? Who is that?
Oh my. I died.
Crazy. Wait, so let's sell this stuff and let's see how much money we make. Buddy, $5,000, $247
I need some movement, gang.
from that one run, and this dude decides to
Need some
kill me. So I just lost my grapple gun and my gravity gun. So yeah, now I most definitely have to record a video on how to get the grapple gun and gravity gun. So if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know if I should make a Discord server for y'all to join. But if you want this game, it's called Animal Company. It's on Apple. And yeah, well, bye guys.